The finished lower level transforms into an entertainment hub. A dedicated theater features custom reclining seats and a retractable screen hidden in a timber cavity, blending modern technology with handcrafted design. Nearby, another kitchen and built-in booth seating make hosting large gatherings easy. It's a favorite hangout spot for the grandchildren. A dedicated cubby space under the stairs provides storage and a playful nook for kids, one of many thoughtful family-oriented touches in this home. This level includes 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, offering plenty of sleeping space for guests. Even here, details like 10-inch hand-hewn baseboards tie the lower level back to the craftsmanship found upstairs. Around the side and rear of the home, the exterior remains just as intentional as the front. All mechanicals, including HVAC units, the generator, and other utilities, are discreetly tucked away, preserving the home's aesthetics and maintaining a clean, uninterrupted view from every angle. Every decision in this home tells a story, one of tradition, quality, and Golden Eagle craftsmanship.